Greetings, language enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we delve into the intricacies of English language learning. I'm Sriparna, and today we are delving deep into the world of synonyms. Words that express similar meanings but add richness and nuance to your language. Have you ever felt like you're repeating the same words over and over again? Well, fear not. By the end of this video, you'll have a plethora of synonyms at your disposal to elevate your language and impress everyone around you. Let's kick things off with synonyms for happy, a word we all use frequently, but can spice it up with some alternatives. Synonyms for happy can be joyful, ecstatic, elated, content, gleeful, etc. For example, instead of saying I'm happy, you could say I'm absolutely ecstatic about the news. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Subscribing to our channel ensures you never miss out on our latest language learning content. Moving on to synonyms for sad. Let's explore words that capture the spectrum of human emotions beyond just sad and unhappy. Examples of synonyms for sad such as melancholy, gloomy, despondent, mournful, dejected, etc. Instead of saying I'm sad, you could say I felt a sense of melancholy wash over me as I watched the sunset. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with your favorite synonym from today's lesson. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more language learning insights and tips. That's a wrap for today's lesson, folks. Keep exploring the fascinating world of synonyms, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!